Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Interactive Investor SIPP. The Interactive Investor SIPP is designed to give you full control over your retirement savings with a flexible, low flat fee structure. It's a self-invested personal pension that lets you choose how and where to invest your money. You can pick from ready-made funds selected by experts or hand-pick your own from UK and global markets. It's ideal for people who want more independence in managing their retirement, especially the self-employed or those consolidating multiple pensions. You can decide how much to save, when to invest, and even how to take your money out later, whether as tax-free cash, income drawdown, or lump sums. The platform also offers a cashback boost for new customers and provides easy management through its website and secure mobile app. Now let's check what users say on Trustpilot. Users say that the platform is great for managing investments in one place, with clear tools and reliable performance. Many appreciate how easy it is to track their pension through the app and website. Some highlight friendly and knowledgeable customer support staff who help solve issues quickly. However, a few users mention long waiting times when trying to reach support and occasional login glitches. Overall, most agree that Interactive Investor delivers solid value for its features and gives a strong sense of control over their pension. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. One of the biggest pros is the flat monthly fee, which makes costs predictable and gives better value for larger pension pots. It also provides a wide range of investment options and the freedom to manage your pension the way you want. On the downside, it can be costly for smaller pension pots due to the fixed fees, and there are additional charges for trades and transactions. Some users also point out that currency conversion fees apply for overseas investments. Overall, it's a strong option for anyone who wants flexibility, transparency, and control when planning their retirement. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.